In experiments, a stimulus is anything you show or play to a participant, such as text, images, videos, sounds, or even interactive components. In Labvanced, these can be added via objects. Let's add a few image stimuli, but this process can be repeated with almost any element, including audio. Select Trial Modification and pick the images. Then create as many trials as files selected. Auto-assign the files. The stimuli space has now expanded and all the images now appear for the different trials. If you need to change the position of the image, remember to select Default Trial, which serves as the template of a trial. Otherwise, your changes happen only on the specific trial instead of across all trials. You have now made your first use of the trial system in Labvanced. To understand the full power of the trial system approach for study design, please refer to our documentation. The second most commonly used approach for assigning and presenting stimuli is via CSV, also known as data frames. For example, let's begin by adding an image object, but you can apply this process with other objects as well, like audio. Create a data frame variable to store your CSV file. Upon creating the variable, you can upload the CSV file, but also your stimuli images. Here, leave the settings as they are as they configure how Labvanced handles the CSV file. The first checkbox serves to identify file names and maps them to the files you uploaded, while the second checkbox treats the first row as a header, if you have it. At this point, you have created your data frame variable. You will be prompted to identify which column contains your stimuli file names. As a result, the event for displaying the images has been set. For more information about the data frame approach to stimuli presentation, please refer to our documentation. In contrast to the trial system approach, this is more dynamic. So to view the images for now, you have to specify the trial number and the frame duration. Well done! You have learned two powerful concepts behind Labvanced for presenting stimuli: the trial system approach and the data frame approach. The method you should use largely depends on the nature of the task you are designing. If you have any questions or need advice, please reach out to our support.